Hey, my Dolly Nation. Welcome back. And if you're new, welcome to my Dolly Nation. If you like dolls, like I like dolls, then I say you're at the right channel, where we do anything and everything to do with dolls on this channel. So welcome, and let's get right into this video. So today's video is going to be me doing a couple of things, showing you guys some things I got from Party City and 2 or 3 things I got from Walmart. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, you guys kind of gotta work with your girl a little bit. Okay, so we ain't gonna get to the giddies real fast. But so at Walmart, I didn't get a lot of stuff, but I did get a few items. So I got this outfit. I thought it was really cute, so I had to get 2. Like, what? And this might be a little old, but it's still newish to me. And I've been looking for it for a while, so. It's a lot harder to find a lot of outfits and stuff at my Walmart. So when I see them, whatever Walmart I choose to go to, I try to hurry up and grab them. Because that's, you know. But yeah, this is the outfit I got today. You know. And I like this, so I had to grab 2. So it's a 2-fer. And I got multiple men dolls. Multiple men dolls. But I had my mind set on 2 of them to wear this. Okay, now let's stop playing around. I went to Party City as well today. So I got not 1, even though I know the new ones come out, are about to come out, or they have. I got not 1, not 2. You know, your girl didn't get 1, not just 2. I'm gonna try to show y'all the best way I can. But 3. So, I'm gonna try to, okay. Y'all can still hear me, you just can't see my face, but it's cool. Oh, I'm sorry. So I got 3 of them. I got them at Party City. For those who are looking for these and you can't find them at Walmart. I looked at Target too. 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks, I don't remember. But I didn't find any at my Target, the Targets that I went to. But I remember last year, I think, or somewhat, or this year, I can't remember. I remember seeing them at Party City. I remember getting 1. So, let's open the first one up. Okay, please don't fall. All right. Ooh, doesn't that sound like soothing? Like, I don't know. I like that. So, first unravel. I am excited to see the new brands too. To see the new ones and get those out. I'm excited because I don't know. I've been wanting these for a while, and like I said, it's kind of hard to find them. And where our Party City is not so very close to my house. Plus, I kind of had to wait because we were moving to get any. So, here's the first one. Oh my gosh. No way, no way. I'm sorry. I'm excited. I am super. You guys, I was so excited. I just could not wait. So the first one is, it's a cart. A cart. So, we're just gonna put the cart together. We're gonna do it. We're gonna put the cart together. Am I tripping? No. Or not. Hold on. I guess that's why they would have directions, you know. But yeah. Okay. Okay. All jokes aside now. That would help very much. Oh, I don't know. You guys don't know. When I'm excited, I don't like my mind is not fully there, y'all. So excuse me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. Or better yet, we can do this later. Because my mind is not here. That's what excitement for me is. Like, my mind is not there. Okay, the next one is... we got some chocolate syrup. Can you guys see? Chocolate syrup. Yum, yum. Okay, so we got chocolate syrup and a carrot. The next one is some tarts. Sweet tarts. Yum, yum. Which is cool too, you know. Oh my goodness. Okay. It's a few things I've been craving to have, but I'm happy. I got some shaving cream. I got shaving cream. Here, let me try to scoot them back so you guys can see what I got. I got shaving cream. I got some syrup and some sweet tarts. Yay. And then I got this as well that tells you what, you know, what you got, if it's rare, if it's not, which I will mark off later on. And I got some Spam. Spam. I love the details on it. You can put eggs with Spam. I've never had Spam, but your girl will try it, you know. Okay, that's the first ball. We'll sit on my little couch. All right, let's do the next one. And if I get any like little ones like this, I'm not gonna sit there and fool with it. I'm sorry. I'll figure that out later. Okay. And then for those who seen the new ones come out, the new golden ones, comment down below if you have them or not, and let me know how you feel about them. This is for your face. The little words are so small. Can you guys see that? Oh my gosh, hold on. Let me try to focus it. Can you guys see it? This is like the little cream stuff that you put on your face. That's so cool. Yay. I'm sorry. I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh my goodness. She got some ice cream, y'all. Strawberry too. It is strawberry. some delicious strawberry ice cream, okay. And then another guide, another list, I mean. When I think about these, I know we gotta finish, but when I think about this, sometimes it makes me feel like a long grocery list, you know? So, a basket. We got a basket, and as well, like I said, I'm not gonna open these, but yeah, I'm not gonna put those together right at this moment. I know I've been excited before I show you guys. I got some Dove, you guys. It's the spray. I have some of this upstairs. Oh my God, I got some Dove. I got some Dove. I got some. Let me stop moving so y'all can see. That is so awesome. I got a double. I got some more Sweet Tarts, which is never, you know, it's never wrong to have two. Okay, that is all in that one. Okay, guys. Unfortunately, this is my last one. I low-key really want to buy the whole box at Party City. They had like a little bit more left. It wasn't a lot, but it was, you know, it was a little bit left. But, you know how it goes. But trust me, on payday, say payday, when I get paid or whatever, you know, I'm going to make my way that way. Or Walmart also sell these online, so I'm gonna suck it up and get some of these online. But I really want the new brands to fit, to put in my new dollhouse, you guys. If you guys also would like to see my finish from like beginning to end, like before I did my dollhouse and after I did my dollhouse video or pictures, videos, let me know and I will show you guys. I have no problem showing you that, and all my furniture that I have for my dollhouse or made for my dollhouse. If you guys would like to see all that, please like, comment, share, subscribe to me, and please let me know. Okay, I'm kind of don't want the last one to be the last one. Oh, also, let me know if I'm not the only one who feels that way about these. Like, when you're down to your last one, and you're like, oh, I just don't want it to be the last one. It's the last one, and I just don't want it to be the last one. So, we have another cart, which is fine with me. So, I'll be putting 2 carts together later. A basket and a cart. Hey. Okay, this is the next one. This is so soothing, though. Oh my goodness! Oh. You guys, I got them wet wipes for this house. You know, coronavirus and all that. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta have them wet wipes on hand, y'all. You gotta have them wet wipes on hand. I'm excited. Yes, y'all. Not what, but the wet wipes. Yes. Okay. I know that Halloween is coming up, y'all. But why do I have? Well, I mean, there is candy. You know what I'm saying? I got 3 candies now, y'all. Which is cool, you know. I like the suckers. I like the way it looks. It's really cute. Oops, sorry. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna lay them like this so you guys can see all of them. I got some men soap, 2-in-1. Yep, 2-in-1. And I got men George. Okay, y'all. That fits. Oh my gosh. She said she want the van. The van. Sorry, y'all. I've been, I ain't even gonna lie to you. I've been, for the past like 2 to 3 days, I've been kind of hooked to, TikTok a little. So, and then I got another double, y'all. I got another double. It's some spammy spam. Okay. So, what I got out of this was... No. Okay, well, I'm gonna put it like this. I have 1 spam, 2 spams. I guess my dolls are like some spam in the house. I don't know. I really low-key want to try spam. So maybe I will try it and let you guys know how I feel. I got some shaving cream for them. Good old shaving cream. Some men's soap. This is spray. Dry spray. Now, however, I'm trying to look and see. I know. This is a spray from Dove. I know it's far away. I got my ice cream. Yum, yum, yum. I got some chocolate syrup. I got some wet wipes. I'm excited about that, y'all. And then some face cream. Then my 3 pieces of candy. The Smarties. 2 Smarties. And a Dum Dum. Which is awesome. And then I got my basket that's not put together. My second basket that's not put together. And then, carts. I'm sorry, my first and my second cart that's not put together. And then my 1 basket. So, I like every last thing that I got, to be honest, in this group. But if I had to pick a favorite, you guys, like a favorite that I really like, okay, I'll rate them. That's what I'll do, you guys. I'm gonna rate them. I think my first favorite would have to be the shaving cream. I've been wanting that for a while to go. Yes. My second has to be the wet wipes. Yes. The wet wipes, y'all. That is my second. You know? Oh, they're too far. I'm sorry, they're too close. So, this is my first. This is my second. I guess the spray like that. I think it's just bathroom essentials is awesome. So I like the bathroom essentials. And then of course the ice cream. Then the syrup, because you can't have syrup without the ice cream, you know what I'm saying? Yes. And then the men's, and then the face. The candies are my last, and then the spam. The candies, then the spam. Because I don't know what spam tastes like. So, yes. And then I like the carts too. They're really pretty. I've seen a lot of people put them up. When I'm excited, and I just can't stop, so I can't stop, you know. I'm also happy that I got these. Once again, I got 2 of these, which is awesome. I have no problem showing you. If you guys would like to see me do another mini brands unboxing, let's get this to let's get this to 10 likes, you guys. 10 likes. 10 likes, and your girl will do another one on, I will do another one on the new brand. I will get the new ones. Whoop. Ooh, that sounds comfortable to me too. The new mini brands, even though I got it upside down. Okay, hold on, y'all. The new ones of these, I would do a part 2, but with the new mini brands. If you guys would also, once again, like to see me dress my male dolls in this outfit or any of their clothes, if you would like to see me do a miniature fashion show on my channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Again, let's get us to 10. I don't care. 10 likes, you guys, 10 likes, please. And I will do another video for you guys. That is about it for this. Hold on, you guys. Okay, sorry. That is about it for the mini brands and what I got from Walmart. What I got from Party City. Also, if you guys would like to see me do a go into the stores with me and go into the aisles, like stores could be Walmart, and look for doll stuff. If you like to see me do doll hunts, like sorry, doll hunts. I don't have the Rona. I don't have Corona. I'm dead. Anything like show you guys what I have in my Walmart. And look, because a lot of people say that every Walmart has the same thing, and they don't. What you find in one Walmart, you're not going to find in the next. Same thing with Target. What you find in one Target, you're not going to find in the next. Dollar Tree. If you guys would like to see me do a Dollar Tree video where I go into the Dollar Tree and show you guys I'll show you what one of my Dollar Trees has, because I have quite a bit Dollar Trees. And I can also show you guys my favorite Dollar Tree. I think I did that too. But other than that, this is all for today. If I didn't tell you guys again, I got these mini brands from Party City. They were yeah, they were worth the money, really. So, and we are done. Please, again, like, comment, share, and subscribe to me, because I will be uploading some more videos and stuff now that we have officially moved. So I'm excited to upload on this channel a lot more. I know I'm talking a lot, but I'm excited. I'm also excited to show you guys my dollhouse, because it is slowly coming along. I wanted to do a video for you guys to show you guys how I put my dollhouse together and how I did that. but it's a little difficult considering that I'm working with my phone and I'm still kind of new to this, and I don't know how to prop my phone up enough to where you guys can see me put the stuff in the dollhouse. But I will definitely work on it, try to show you guys. I will show you the beginning of what it looked like before. Like, I will show you before and after of everything. If you want to know how I did my refrigerators, I will tell you guys. I will tell you who also does good refrigerators, like who did a good spray paint on some refrigerators. Her refrigerator is I Dolled It. She has a YouTube account as well as an Instagram account. You guys, please also go follow me on Instagram at the same name that you see above, on this channel. As well as you also, please go follow I Dolled It. Go follow Kenny's Dolls. I think that's the name. If I said it wrong, I apologize because that's not what I meant. And if you have yet and you're still like waiting and you're taking your time and you're a little behind, honey, like what? Please go follow my Froggy because she is the hottest thing out there. And like I said, she's not new to the game, but she is, when I say guru of dolls, she is the guru of dolls. When it comes to crafts, you name it, whatever you want, go see her. I Dolled It, the lady I just told you about before my Froggy. If you're into doll stories, like stories about dolls, and you're an adult. Let me rephrase this. If you're an adult, these people that I am telling you, besides my Froggy, she's in the age range, but she's not. But go follow these people because they tell good stories. They do good crafts, and they're just amazing. Like, I'm happy to meet them. I'm happy to meet I Dolled It through doll Instagram and Kenny's Dolls. I think that's his YouTube. I know that's his Instagram. But I'm happy to meet these people because they're amazing people. They are amazing. Anytime that you have questions about anything that has to do with like your dolls or where to get something, they're on top of it. My Froggy, if you ever watch my show, like ever watch my YouTube, I am a huge fan. I don't think you know how much you changed my life. But yeah. Also, before we go, because we're about to leave, if you would like to see me do a Q&A about me and who I am, I don't have a problem doing a Q&A on here. And let me know, because comment down below and I will do a Q&A about me, my dolls, how I got into dolls and all that. But like I said, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe one more time. And we are out. Peace. Bye, Dolly Nation. Bye, guys. Bye.